and Juju's in the craft room. Come and see, it's Mama Juju crafting, chatting full of glee.
Hey my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. Okay, first of all, I want to say it's Back 40 numbers again. Y'all have to forgive it. Thank you so much for supporting me and my channel and my playtime and my learning and experimenting and sharing along the way and being a great community and a friend and a fabulous person to me all around. We have reached 500 subscribers. Yay! Yay! So now it is a 500 subscriber giveaway. Yay! Okay, so for the 500 subscriber giveaway, I thought we would use this journal that we made together on our 100-day project that we've been doing. It's a cute little journal, and it's the paper bag journal. And I'll just do a little flip through. And it has ephemera pieces in it that we also made during our 100-day experience together. And it's either the ephemera pieces that we made during the show or things that like gel prints and stuff that we made and was put in after the show. And this is the little French lady that Miss Mare gave me, and we talked about that and did some stuff on one of the shows. And it's different little things that we did, little writing spots, different types of reinforcements like the napkins and stuff, that techniques that we've been learning to reinforce the bags, and some just bags cut in half for writing spots. You know I had to put the granny in there. Oh. So it's different little tucky spots and tucky doos, collages, just different little things that we've done. Some of my little favorite pieces we put in here. A little scrappy notebook. Okay, that is the journal. So to enter for the free giveaway to celebrate my wonderful milestone on YouTube of hitting 500 subscribers, which I am still so humble and grateful for. It's still mind-blowing. But all you have to do is A, be a subscriber. B, like this video, and C, leave a comment. In the comment, I would like for you to please tell me your favorite experience on the Back 40, whether it's a video or one of the live streams. And if you have none, you can just simply type none. And then the entry will end 12 o'clock midnight Saturday. Today is May, let me go back up 1 month. It is May the 18th, and May the 24th at midnight. That's a whole week. On Saturday the 24th at midnight, I will close the contest. drawing, giveaway, whatever you want to call it. Appreciation. I call it appreciation gift. But it will be closed, and then during Sunday's live stream, May the 25th Sunday live stream, I will pull the winner from the entries, and that is during our Sunday Fun Day Celebrating America 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge that I do with Scrapbook Sage. And during that stream, we will pull for mine, and she will pull for hers. So there you have it. Now, this is open to all my subscribers, all my subbies, because I love you so much. The journal is for U.S. only. Internationals, there will be a happy for you in the form of, will be a comparable happy surprise for our internationals, because I love y'all too. It's just crazy with this postal service stuff. That's it. I'm blabbering because, as y'all know, if you've been watching, I haven't had any sleep. I'm going to bed. I love you, and I'll see you at, well, 10 o'clock tonight, if the Lord's willing and the creek don't rise. Bye.